All right, so the course director or discipline leader for the conservation biology major and bio minor cannot be here today because he's doing all week in Albury with environmental science students, but he's prepared a presentation and a bit of a blurb for me to read. So I'll try to do it justice. So this is the subjects comprising the bio major. You have the two level 1 subjects, Bio 100 and Bio 112, where you will get the basics in molecules, cell biology, genetics in Bio 100, as well as ecology, evolution, classification, and intro to botany and zoology in Bio 112. There will be a few topics where there is going to be overlaps between Bio 100 and Bio 112, but it's not a massive overlap, and the emphasis is really different in each of the subjects. Okay. These two subjects lay groundwork for Bio 203, 262, and HRT 202, which are your intermediate level biology subjects dealing with animal classification, diversity of phyla, vertebrates and invertebrates, evolution and physiology, and that's mostly in Bio 203. And then similarly with plant evolution, ecology and diversity in 202 and 262. The upper level subjects listed here deal with biological systems and ecological relationships, populations and communities, human impacts and environmental solutions to degradation and disturbance. All right. So careers in conservation biology. So as a conservation biologist, you will be qualified for career in wildlife, conservation, management, environmental science. You can help manage and protect fragile ecosystems, including protective native plants and animal species. And you can take on challenging roles in wildlife ecology, landscape and vegetation management, biodiversity conservation, animal biology, park management, and you could work in the field doing research or project work. You can also work as an advisory role to communities, consultancy, industry, government on wildlife and conservation issue. So I'm sorry I'm reading, but I'm not a biologist, and so a complementary minor would be stats or spatial science, but I would add to that chemistry would be a good complementary minor, and not because I'm biased as a chemist, but we actually have research project here at CSU where we have biologists and chemists contributing together to the research project, and the research project would not exist without the biologist or the chemist. One of our chemists, Julia Howard, she's teaching Chem 104, actually does her research on environmental discipline with biologists based in Albury. So you can, I think she'll be coming to lunch today. You can have a chat to her if you want. I think it's really important that you talk to your lecturers, and a few of us have mentioned research. That's obviously part of our, day-to-day job. But if you guys are interested, you can talk to us about it, and we've got all your lecturers have a lot of information for you as to what sort of career you could be doing once you graduate, and if you want to be going further into a postgraduate studies, that's something that you can do with us here at CSU, even though that's going to happen in a few years. The options here, and we love talking about our research. So for more information about the bio major or minor, you can contact Matthew. He's, as I said, the course director in environmental science, and I've just put his contact details onto the I2 course site so that you can find his details there. Talk to him about subjects and career options if you're interested.